Hello, lovelies. Welcome back. My name is Manjamaka in case you are tuning in for the first time. So today's video will be all about this beautiful hairstyle you just saw now. So if it is something that you are interested in, please keep on watching. To make this hairstyle, I'll be using a Brazilian wool. One pack of Brazilian wool is enough. I won't even finish using it. So I will go on by cutting it into 50 inches. That is what I'll be using. Then after that, I'll firstly part the hair. If I want to make any hairstyle, I like parting it firstly so that I will not make mistake at the end of the day. So I'll first of all part the hair. Then after parting the hair to the number of cuttings that I want it to be, that is when I will start braiding. So I will start from the back, and the back part I was getting a total of three cuts. I cut it into three. Then I now entered the second part. The second part, let me just summarize in the hair. The total of the hair, I got like six patterns in it with 23 cut. So in a total, we'll be braiding 23 hairs, okay? So watch the video, you will understand more when you watch it than when I explain, okay? So now I'm done with the parting of the hair. I've finished parting everything. Now is the time to braid the hair. So I'll be using three wools for braiding the hair and then two for tying it. You understand what I mean? Like I'll use three wools to braid it small, but braid small. Then I'll use two to tie it down. But this I'm just trying to show you guys this method. This method is mainly for people that have short hair. If your hair is very short, then you add wool. You first of all braid it down. You use some wool to braid it, then you use some to tie it so that it will lengthen the whole process, okay? It will lengthen the hair. But once your hair is very long, like this my dummy hair, you don't need to braid it before tying. You understand? You just tie it down straight. Don't worry, after watching this one, you see what I'm trying to explain. Like this one, if you have a very short hair and you want to recreate this style on your hair or your baby hair, you can firstly use some wool to braid them before tying, okay? So at this juncture, the wool did not reach. I decided to add some wool so that it will reach to the down. Okay, so after this method, the next one you'll be seeing is the one I did not post braid before tying down because the hair, this my dummy hair, is long. I don't need to add anything. So to fold after tying it down, I will now go ahead to fold it backwards. Just watch the video, you see what I'm doing. But firstly, I measured it with my mannequin head. I measured from where I want it to start, okay, and where I want it to stop so that it will not be too long. This is just a simple hairstyle and a short hairstyle, so you don't need to be long. Just watch the video, you will understand better. So after tying it down, after folding it and everything, I will now use the remaining wool there to tie it so that it will not unravel. Then I will use my scissors to cut it off. That excess wool that is remaining, I will now cut it off so that my work will be very neat. So this is it, the first method. Then over to the next method, which is the second method, and that is what I'll be using for the whole of the hair. This second method, I did not add any wool. I did not brush braid anything because my mannequin head, the hair is long. Had it been that it's a short one, I'll add. But the hair is long, so I don't need to add anything. You understand? I don't need to add but braid anything to lengthen the hair because the hair is already long. So when I now tie it to the length of the hair, to the length of the mannequin hair, I will now fold it backwards, just like I did the other one. Then I'll tie it so that it will not unravel, and then I'll use my scissors to cut off the excess Brazilian wool that is remaining. And that is all. This is just a very simple hairstyle. You don't need to stress yourself too much while making this hairstyle, okay? So after this method, that is all, nothing else. All right. So yeah, I'm done with the hairstyle. I've finished tying it down and I've finished folding it as well. So I'll just use my scissors to cut off any remaining strands of Brazilian wool that is left there, just to make sure that my work is very neat. Then for an adult, if you want to make this hairstyle, this is all. This is the last. You don't need to do any other thing. It's just fine the way it is. But if you are creating this hairstyle, if you want to make this hairstyle on your baby girl, then that's when you will start looking for a way to beautify it, okay? That is why I use this hairband, this hair accessory to beautify it for kids. Some adults like it. If you as an adult use this, it is not an offense, okay? But I mainly see this all this headband on children and children hair. So that is why I say that it is mainly for kids. If you're making this hairstyle on your baby girl, then just add this hair accessories on it so that it will bring out the color, okay? It will beautify the hair. And at the end of the day, if you look at your baby, you will love the hairstyle. So that is all for the hairstyle. I'm done with everything. There's no more thing remaining. So let me know how you see the hairstyle in the comment section below. Do you love the hairstyle? Do you try it on or your baby girl? Let me know how you see the hairstyle in the comment section below, okay? I will appreciate if you comment. Thank you guys for watching.